Welcome back to Everyday Garage, guys, and minus the garage, I guess. Some things have changed and some things still stayed the same, but a lot has changed lately, guys, so let's go ahead and jump into it and finally give the update that you guys have been asking for. Before we jump into it, guys, I do want to say thank you to the humbling amount of people that reached out on Instagram and Facebook and emailed me and even text messaged me wondering where I was, what happened, where did Everyday Garage go, am I ever going to complete the truck? And just simply that you guys enjoyed the content that I was putting out and I'm going to continue to put out. And again, just thank you guys, and I'm here with that update that you guys asked for. Now, yes, I did say that we did lose that shop that you guys saw me in, but it's because we ended up selling our place. So we lived in a townhouse. We wanted a little bit more room, guys, and the market was right, and there was just a lot of stipulations. We decided to go ahead and list the house, but the agent that we were working with, and he gave the good advice, was if I really wanted to sell that, I had to just nix the shop right away. So that was kind of the thing to it, but let me go ahead and jump into some video that I did. I made a video explaining it because I never wanted to take this long with an update video. I had planned to do updates along the way, but life just gets in the way, guys. So let's go ahead and cut to those clips of in the shop, kind of explain some stuff to you guys, and a little bit of work on the truck, and catch you up on where we're at now. So basically, me and my wife talked for a while and had to come to a choice, finish the truck, the project that I love, YouTube, the channel that's, finally growing, or, do what's best for my family. And, family always comes first, guys. I have to get them a beautiful home, a single family that, I can raise a family in, and have a workshop and hopefully a bigger space. So this isn't the end of the channel or the end of this project. It's just a temporary pause. Life gets in the way, and that's just the way it is. It is much more disheartening than I thought it would be, guys. It's kind of sad. I definitely wanted to drive this truck out of here, and it's just not going to be what it is. It was so close. If 2 more months, and this easily would be done. But that's just not what I got. So what's going to happen is we're going to pack it up, put it in storage, and hopefully, we get an offer, buy another house, maybe 2-3 months, maybe a year, depending on how this goes, because, you know how life is, guys. Fortunately, this becomes the back burner. And guys, I'm not a big enough channel, And what I mean by that, like a big enough channel, is like I can't justify renting a garage or a space to continue the channel while everything is going on, because I don't really make any money off YouTube at all. I mean, yeah, technically the channel's monetized, but you guys are watching the ads, and I do appreciate anybody who does watch the videos, but it's pennies on the dollar, it really is. So doesn't even cover the cost of me doing this. So definitely can't justify a shop. Maybe one day I would love to get the channel to that point, because, finance the hobby while, interacting with you guys, and, I'm always getting messages, and I do appreciate it. And, growing in that aspect, but we're not there yet. So I have to put a pause on it. But if you would like to get there, or do enjoy the channel or any of the stuff that I put out, like, comment, subscribe, share, build the channel while it's on pause, and I can come back full steam ahead. But it's going to be on pause. Now, a lot of talking. That's basically what this video is. It's just me telling you guys thank you so much, and it's not goodbye. It's just see you later. But before we get to that part, let's go ahead and bolt this cab down. This cab needs to finally come down, get bolted up, and especially for storage, it's going to be a lot easier. So let's hopefully bolt it down. Probably not for the last time, because I will maybe have to lift it up when I finally do it and get it going. Can we just take a moment and appreciate how nice that cab looks on there? Let's go for the painted stuff. It just looks so good. It's just the little stuff that still makes me happy. Motor just fits so nice. Obviously it was going to. It's the same exact size as the 228, but it's just so nice to see that. That's so awesome, guys. And as I was bolting up those cab mounts, can we just take another look under here? Like how awesome it looks under here now. Just so gorgeous, yet so sad that it's not going to get finished right away. But it will get finished, guys. You know what we should do, guys, before I sit there for months and have it sit in my head while this is in storage? Let's go see if the new doors fit. I would love to know that, because remember, this is destroyed. We went ahead and tried to replace it with this one. But if you remember, going a couple videos back, we also tried to replace it with that one over there, and that one just wouldn't fit at all. So I went out and got a whole nother one just to see if I could save me some time and gambled with that. So let's throw that on there. I already have the hinges mocked up and see if we can get a door to fit. You know, take some wins before I take the major L. And after a lot of messing out, would you guys just look at this? This is by far the best fitting door I've had on this. This is so crazy. The gaps are pretty solid. I mean, look, it has none of the issues the original door has. Look at that, good gaps all the way around. Solid. There was a huge gap on the original door, that's gone. Fits good. It's just, wow. Nice and tight. There's only one issue, and that's here. Let's see if I can show you where it kind of sticks out a little bit, but that's because I saw damage in the door. This lip just needs to kick out a little bit. That's it. The only low in that whole thing. That's awesome. Now it is a bit tight in here, but you know, you can just come in and shave the edge a little bit and you're good. It does widen up down here, but I actually put that in to fit the other door, so that's kind of funny. But I can always, you know, cut that if I want, or just honestly leave it, because there's a lot of imperfection on this door. Man, that's perfect, guys. Rust-free, great fitting door. Already body worked. Man, that is so awesome. Yeah, it's such a bummer too. Man, I was so close. There's that door. At least we know when I finally get back to it, we got a door that fits. Now, as you saw, we went ahead and finished up what we could on that truck, and then I ended up just having to put it in storage. I'll drop a picture of that here. So that truck got to sit there again in storage, but it's not in storage anymore, guys. Because after I cleaned it out, which I'm gonna show you a video of that right now. Well, this is the shop now, guys. It is actually a garage with little to no lighting, because I had to take most of the lighting down. And this is where we're stuck. It kind of looks a lot smaller without all the stuff in it. I have to say that. But big things are coming. It's been a crazy time. I don't even know how to explain how everything has been. But I didn't expect to take this long to get a video out and kind of give an update on what's going on. But it was just moving and offers and escrow. If you guys been through it, you know it's a lot. But I will say, we are getting a shop. We do have an offer accepted on a new home. It's got a 3-car garage. It's got an acre or more of land to build a shop on. It's going to be the future of Everyday Garage, plus the growing family that me and my wife plan to have. So I cannot wait on that, guys. And as you guys saw, we got an offer accepted. The offer was accepted on the house that I'm currently in. So then after we got accepted, we had escrow. I ended up going to my honeymoon, and then we got to move in. So what I have here, guys, is a 3-car garage. It's a little bit bigger. The ceilings, as you can tell, are a lot lower. So you're dealing with space constraint issues. I also have a washer and dryer room that I kind of have to build here to make sure that that doesn't get destroyed. And we're gonna have to put in a sub panel, and there's just, you know, there's a little bit of a mess around here if you can't tell. There's a lot of stuff that needs to be done before this place is operational, but Everyday Garage does have a home base again. Now, what was I doing out in the middle of the field? Well, guys, we got an 1.5 acres with this. That was a big driving motivation. We wanted land in Southern California, and that is very, very difficult. SoCal, we decided to stay here because of family. This is where our family's at, and family's important, guys. So the 1.5 acres, though, allows for everything we would want, plus maybe down the line, an additional shop. Let me show you guys. So this area that you saw at the beginning of this video is actually going to be the future spot of Everyday Garage many years from now, probably. I really can't afford to do this shop now. It's a plan that I have for the future, but it's all just going to go right here. So it's a big enough piece of pad here with access over there to get in from the street, which would provide a lot of room to do future projects and a lot of stuff I have down the road. But again, guys, I can't afford to build a shop right now, but at least I have the land to do it. And that was a big motivator for this big move, so I'm happy to have that. And just the possibilities, you know, are nice. Plus, it is so hard to have land here in Cali. So back on the truck, Yes, we're gonna get started on this. Yes, this is gonna get finished, and I'm going to thrash on this to get it done. Trust me. I'm ready to get this done, to turn it into a daily driver, which was its intent every time, and also start on a few more projects that I have in the works that I'm excited to show you guys. Now you saw we have a great fitting door. Outside that, nothing else is done. It's more storage right now. So it needs to get cleaned off. Like I said, I got a bunch of stuff to do to get it done, guys. As you can see, guys, this has a lot of potential, and I'm very grateful and blessed to be able to have this place, and it's essentially going to be the forever home to raise my family in, and to launch the rest of Everyday Garage. So no more moving and no more giant gaps or anything like that. I still got to get the shop together, so give me a little bit of time before we get back to the every week videos, but that is headed this way. I will drop this video this Friday. I'm going to try to get every other Friday until we're launched and ready to go, and this is fully functional. Again, guys, thank you for the support. Thank you for everything. And as I always say, if I can do any of this, guys, I'm still just in a garage, so can you. I'll see you guys on the next one.